Hi, good morning. It's February 13th. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. How about that? Almost half the month's gone already. This is incredible. Anyway, let's see what's happening in the market today. Greater Las Vegas real estate market. Or as new listings go, we have, let's see what we got here. Well, the lowest price is a condo, $155,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Okay, fairly nice unit. A couple of pictures there. $155,000, interesting. Poorly photographed. Rampart in Cheyenne. Okay, Vista. Alright, in the upper northwest. Okay, well that's that. And then let's see what we got here. Got a new listing over here on Bliss Canyon Court. 449,777. 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage, pool, spa. Sounds interesting. Nice drone shot. Solar. Nice backyard there. And a cul-de-sac. Good location. What do we got there? So we've got the pool over here, and they've got the spa tucked over here. That's kind of odd. Interesting. Okay. That's that. Let's see if this is solar owned or solar leased. It's owned. That's good. Alright. So where are we here? Alexander and Cimarron. Okay, that's up north too. Okay. Fairly nice. And what do we got here? We have a little condo over here on Reno Avenue. 500 square feet, 570 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. 79,000, no pictures. Tropicana in Maryland. Okay. It's a pretty good area. Near the airport, near UNLV, near the strip. Got a little rental unit. Okay. So what else do we have here? Yesterday's stuff. $3.8 million. One of the modern homes. Nice pool. Golf course. 2 pictures. Interesting. 6,300 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 4-car garage. It's nice. $3.8 million. Okay, over in the southwest there. Okay. Alright, well, let's see what else we got going on here. Under contract, well, that really shot up from yesterday. We got 436 under contract now. And what did we sell yesterday? Like a little teeny condo here out of the area. Oh, it's manufactured home, excuse me. Single family home out of the area on Vegas Valley. I think we were talking about that yesterday. That's on the 11th, so what do we, this is pretty weird. Lots of problems, I guess, here. Yeah, I guess we went through this yesterday. yesterday's. Out of the area, out of the area. Okay, here we go. A condo, 724 square feet, 89,000. Closed escrow. 713 is the address. Nice little place. Pretty clean. And it is over Horizon and College, okay. Henderson area. It's nice. And then we will go down to the highest price yesterday. 2.9 million. No pictures. 5,000 square feet. Oh, brand new house. Okay. Pool, spa. Okay, up in McDonald Highlands area. Good. Yep, brand new. Pretty nice. Cash transaction. Good for them. Alright. Well, that's it for the market today. We will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day.